Hey there, Learning Pals! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we share learning videos and materials that will make our teaching easier. And today, I got something incredibly exciting to share with you, and that is this editable PowerPoint game template, the Classroom Feud. This Classroom Feud is based on a game, a TV show called Family Feud. And as we all know, we are very familiar with this game. And I want you to apply this game to your classroom. Okay? So let's take a look on our PowerPoint game template. So in the first slide, if we're going to click the slideshow, we can hear the background music and the title of this PowerPoint game template. And if you want us to stop it, just click the slide. Okay, so this is the title of our PowerPoint game template, the Classroom Feud, which is based on what I've said a while ago on Family Feud. Okay, so let's go on to the details. For the objective of this game, the objective of the Classroom Feud is to earn the most points by providing answers to survey questions that match the responses of a surveyed group of people. For the game mechanics, number 1, divide the class into 2 teams. Each team should have a designated captain or spokesperson. Number 2, the master will give a survey question to both teams. Number 3, the group who answered the correct answer and with the highest corresponding point will be the first one to give all the possible answers. If the answer provided by the active team matches one of the survey responses, the host reveals the number of points associated with that answer and adds it to the team score. If the answer is not on the board, the team earns a strike. The active team can continue providing answers until they earn 3 strikes or they correctly guess all the possible answers on the board. Strikes are typically represented by X symbols on the scoreboard. If the active team gets 3 strikes, the other team has the opportunity to steal the round. The opposing team's spokesperson provides one answer they believe is on the board. If the answer is correct, they steal the points for that round. Otherwise, the points go to the original active team. Play continues with alternating teams until a predetermined number of rounds have been completed or until a team reaches a set number of points. Okay, that's our game mechanics for our game. So here is the sample of the slide where the students will give their possible answers for a specific question or statements. Now, to reveal the statement, just click the slide and the statement or the question will be revealed. So for this one, name a house you never want to be in. So the first group that will give the correct answer will be the one to play the game first. So each of the members of the active team will give possible answers. And each correct answer corresponds to a certain points. So the members of the active team will continuously give all the possible answers until all 8 possible answers will be revealed. If they give wrong answer, they will get a strike. So click the X symbol here on top of the slide. Okay, So if the active team was not able to finish all the possible answers and they reaches the 3 strikes, the other team, the other competing team will have the chance to guess the remaining possible answers. And if they got it correct, they will get all the points on this round. And if not, and also they got a strike, the active team or the first team will receive all the points. Okay? So this is for the round 1 or the first round. So we have 3 rounds. So again, click the slide to reveal the question or statement, and make sure you have a backup copy of the list of the possible answers so that before you click, you are sure that that is the answer given by the students and it is one of the possible answers. Okay, so let's just reveal. So all of these have sounds. Okay, and then for the strikes. Okay, so for the last round, same thing. Let's just reveal all the possible answers. Okay, and the strikes. So if you found this video helpful and can wait to start playing Family Feud, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content like this. And if you got any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you are a fan of PowerPoint game templates and you want to use it for your classroom observation or demonstration teaching, we have a lot of PowerPoint game templates available in our channel. In the video description below, I've included a link to where you can message me on how to avail this Family Feud editable PowerPoint game template for yourself. The minimal amount is a great help in helping me creating more valuable learning materials and video for my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember, the fun is just beginning with this incredible game template. Until next time, keep on gaming, keep on smiling, and keep on creating memorable moments with your loved ones. Take care everyone. Happy learning, pals!